everybody, welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the urgent and latest update of the XRP. Before starting this video, I request everybody to please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos about XRP Ripple coin. Anyways, my friends, now the currently latest price of the XRP in the market is 0.731619 USD dollar. My friends, that is the live update of the XRP in the market. Today price and now price of the XRP in the market is 0.731619 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the XRP. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes occurs in the XRP, so completely, my friends, now today is the XRP holders day, my friends. Every day you can see here the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. The whole changes occur in a XRP Ripple coin is positive. Completely they are in the pumping mood, they are in the jumping mood, and nowadays XRP will give you huge amount of profit today, my friends. Just hold it, just hold it. And my friends, now due to the currently updates, if you want to buy XRP, so I think that's good for all of you. Buy now more and more XRP because now the changes is completely positive. You can see, my friends, absolutely in the previous hour the price dumps, but in the latest situation, just look here, the price start pumping, and I hope if they start pumping, so they will continue this pump for a long time. Positive 0.86% the price increase, and 0.773161 USD dollar is the highest price of the XRP in the market. That is the highest price of the XRP in the market. That is the last 1 day update of the XRP. Hope you like. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about XRP? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.